How to make a donation website for free. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a donation website for free. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And in creating a donation website, we're going to use this platform called googlesites.com. In which, if you don't know what is Google Sites, it is a versatile, user-friendly website creation tool developed by Google, allowing individuals and organizations to build and publish websites without requiring any coding skills. In which this platform is particularly beneficial for users looking to create professional-looking sites quickly and efficiently, whether for personal projects, team collaborations, or public-facing websites. And one of the standouts feature of Google Sites is its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, which simplifies the website building process. So basically, from here, to start creating a donation website, all you need to do is to simply go to this site.google.com and kind of click this blank site in here, in which upon clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed in this page where you can start entering here the page title. For instance, you can simply highlight this and start entering here the context that you prefer. For example, I'm going to enter here donate now to save them. And from here, you could also upload an images from your computer files by clicking the upload, and after that, you simply choose an image in here and it will show you what it looks like in here. So you could also start changing some other details, including the text style and also the font size to make it bold, italic, and many more. And now to start creating a donation website, we're going to use some other platform that will help us to receive the money or the donation from other people. So I'm going to use this paypal.com. So kindly open an account on your PayPal. But before that, if you don't know what is PayPal, it is a leading online payment platform that facilitates secure money transfers and transactions for individuals and businesses worldwide. And now to start using this in creating a donation website, can I click the settings option on the top right corner and click the seller tools in here. Now it will show you under selling online section some other option, including PayPal buttons, website preferences, instant payment notifications, and many more. And in those options, can I proceed by clicking these PayPal buttons to create and manage secure buttons for your donation website. And after that, you will be able to be directed in this page, and it will show you that you can start making a PayPal button with this given option below here, such as buy now, add to cart, subscribe, smart subscribe, pay links, and buttons. But just click this donate to proceed, in which upon clicking on it, you'll now be able to be directed on this page. However, as you can see, it will show you that you also need to start to confirm your charity, so make sure to have a business account on your PayPal in order to use it or to create a donate button in here. But at this point, you'll be able to be directed in here where you can start tracking the donation that you received, such as the amount that has been raised and the average donation in here with its format, status, name, and the amount in here. But you'd also start clicking the confirm your charity button on the top panel in order to start creating your own business account on your PayPal. By clicking the get started button, you'll be able to be directed in this page, and it says here that you need to upgrade your account into business account in order to create or start using the donation button that offered by PayPal. And after that, you can simply choose the embed code for that button and just simply paste it on your Google site in here. Then just simply click under insert section on the right side panel, click this embed, and after that on this pop-up window, just click embed code, then simply paste the embed code in here, and after that, you'll now be able to see here the donation button. But again, make sure that you have an upgrade account or business account in PayPal in order to do so. And now the other way or method is to use the Stripe.com, in which, if you don't know this platform, it is a prominent financial technology company that specializes in providing payment processing solutions for online businesses and mobile applications. So from here, all you need to do is to simply sign in on your Stripe account. And to proceed using this in creating a donation website, just click on the left side panel, this payment links under payments. And after that, just click this new button on the top right corner to start creating a new payment links that will be used in our donation page. And after that, from here, it will show you in the left side panel some of the options, including these products or subscriptions if you're selling here a subscription or any product. So under product, you can simply enter here donation for a cause, and below you simply add other kind of options, including to collect customers' address, require customers to provide a phone number, limit the number of payments. But this, to call to action, I'm going to choose here, this donate. And it will show you on the right side panel what it looks like. But this point or this option in here are only applicable if you're selling a product or a subscription in here. You'd also navigate the software payment where it will show you what it looks like or what the customer will see after they send the payment. But again, since we're trying to make here to use the Stripe payment link in creating a payment method in our donation website instead of selecting products or subscription on the top panel, from here under select type, they simply choose the option to customer to choose what to pay, since this is the best option for tipping, donation, or pay what you want. So after clicking on it, you'll be able to see here below some other option that has been changes or the field that you need to fill out, including the title of it. For instance, I'm going to enter here again, donation for a cause. And after that, below under description, you could also start adding a description or more detail about what the customer are paying. For example, I'm going to enter here, donate to a cancer victim right here. And after that, below, you'd also start selecting the currency that you are accepting or the kind of currency that you will receive as a donation in here. You'd also start uploading an image by clicking this one and start uploading from your computer files. And it will show you in here that the image has now been uploaded. And now under currency in here, you could also start suggesting a preset amount or even setting a limit in here. Now under advanced options, from here you could also start choosing donate as the call to action, limit the number of payments if you only have an amount or goal to receive as your donation. And you could also add a custom fields if you want to, and even allow business customers to provide tax IDs in here. And below you would also start collecting customers' addresses, and it will show you on the right side panel what it looks like when they're trying to donate in here. And to see what the page looks like after the customer send the payment, just click this after payment section in here in order to see what it looks like. So basically from here it will show you the confirmation page. You could also add to create an invoice PDF for post payment invoice if you want to in here. And if you're not done, just click create link button on the top right corner. However, as you can see in here, there's an error upon creating the payment link in here, since you need to have a business account in Stripe as well in order to start sharing the payment link in here. But basically, this is what it looks like. And after that, it will show you the embed code that you can simply copy and paste in this site or Google site, and click this embed section and click embed code on this pop-up window and simply paste it in here in order to show or to see here the Stripe button that will allow us to receive money as the donation in our website in here. So basically, it is applicable to both PayPal and also Stripe account. But make sure you have also both a business account in order to start using or start adding a payment link or button of PayPal in here on your Google site. And let's assume that we have now successfully added the two embed links such as the PayPal and also the Stripe link in here. All you need to do is to click the publish button on the top right corner to save the changes. But overall, that is just basically how you can make a donation website for free. Thank you.